Welcome to our comprehensive review of the ASUS ROG Delta S gaming headset. In this video, we'll examine its features, discuss its pros and cons, and share our thoughts on its performance. Let's dive in. The ASUS ROG Delta S gaming headset boasts USB-C connectivity, allowing for hassle-free compatibility with a wide range of gaming platforms. Its A-powered noise cancelling microphone ensures clear and crisp communication, minimizing background distractions for an immersive gaming experience. Now, let's talk about the pros of the product. Two standout features of the ROG Delta are its exceptional audio quality and ergonomic design. With high-resolution SDAC and a quad-dac design, the headset delivers impressive sound quality, bringing your games to life. The ergonomic design with an adjustable headband and breathable cushions ensures long-lasting comfort during extended gaming sessions. However, there are a couple of considerations to keep in mind. Firstly, the USB-C connection may limit compatibility with certain gaming devices, so it's essential to check its compatibility with your specific setup. Secondly, the price point of the ROG Delta S might be higher compared to other gaming headsets, making it less accessible for budget-conscious gamers. If you're seeking an immersive gaming audio experience, the ASUS ROG Delta SS gaming headset is definitely worth considering. Click the link in the description below to learn more and purchase it on Amazon. Thank you for joining us in this review of the ASUS ROG Delta S gaming headset. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more gaming product reviews. Happy gaming!